Hi, in this video we'll look at how user groups works within Metaforms. So I'm in the users page right now. This is a page that both admins and owners can access. And in this page you can see a list of users along with the groups that each user is a part of. So by clicking on the three dot button from the actions menu, I can click on manage groups. And here I'll see a list of all the groups that this user is a part of. I can remove them anytime. I can search here, and in order to make them part of a new group, I can simply type the name of the group. So if it doesn't already exist, I'll have the option to create it right here. So I've just assigned this group to this user. What I'll also do is for this test user, I'll assign this user to the NA group, right? So once this is done, just to look at the flow of how you can assign groups access to surveys, we'll go to the surveys page. We'll open one of these sample surveys, and from the overview tab, there is access management, where you can see list of all the users who have access to the survey, either by virtue of being an admin or because they've been granted access. So here I've already assigned the NA group permission to this particular survey. I can modify this anytime by clicking on the add user / group button, going to the groups tab, and here is where I've assigned this particular survey access to NA group, and I can change this anytime. Just to demonstrate, I'll remove access for a second, and I'll log in as this test user, and I'll open the survey. So here you can see that it doesn't have access to the build tab. It's only the overview page, and there's a message saying there is access required in order to access the survey. So I'll go back as the admin. I'll assign NA group permission to this survey. So even though this particular user is not directly given access, I will, since we've given access through the group, if I refresh this page, I should now have access. Yeah. So now you can see that I can access the build page just by virtue of being given access to the survey through the group instead of the user directly being given access. So that's a quick look at how user groups work within Metaforms.